What's up, guys? Jurassic Jordan coming to you from our new studio that we just acquired today from an amazing person, an amazing friend that I'm very grateful to have. Anyway, to the unboxing. This is the Mattel Brachiosaurus that came out over 2 years ago, and I've literally been waiting to open this thing, put it together. I've never actually seen one in person, so I'm really excited about this, and here we go. Oh, that sucks. I know that I didn't do that, but there's definitely a slip in the box. Here's this. And this here. Freaking massive. Shit. Even more to it. Alright. Wow. There is only 3 pieces of this. I really thought that there was going to be a lot more. I'm gonna assume this just goes. Is that it? Yeah, that's we really got this thing in here. I should be talking more, but I'm not because I'm just really excited about this. I've been really waiting for this toy, like, for that long. Where does this go? I mean, there's totally instructions I'm not gonna use. There we go. Oh man, this thing is freaking massive. Man, this thing's freaking cool. Alright, well, I know that was a very quick video, and didn't really explain anything, and I didn't really care because I just really wanted to get this out and just kind of show how massive it is. I want to thank everyone for tuning in to my channel and watching me unbox this toy that I've literally been waiting over 2 years to finally open up.
Mr. Jordan?
Yes?
There seems to be a really important message for you.
Oh, thank you. One final thing. We have a very special guest for you tonight. Coming all the way from Dinosaur Valley, Utah, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Alan Grant! Who the hell are you? You're not Sam Neill.
I'm Dr. Alan Grant.
Are we just ordering things off of Wish.com at this point?
That's what you get when you order celebrity off of Wish.com.
You can't be here.
But you ordered me.
I didn't, and you can't be here. You need to leave.
Wait a minute, I can get this all sorted. Let me just call my
You know what?
booking
Let
agent.
me help you too.
Hey, that's my phone.
Security!
Alright, pretty lady, time for you to go.
Hey, but I'm Dr. Alan Grant!
Yes, we're all Dr. Alan Grant.
I didn't let him in!
Back to the nut house.
What the hell is going on my channel?
Why did you bring me here?
The man said to leave, we're leaving.
But
I got a free phone! Who the hell are you seriously still though, dude?
I'm Dr. Alan Grant.
Alright, time for you to go. Really, seriously.
I'm gonna sue you for this.